Hello friends, today we are going to start our topic on Bharat Ki Kanuni Vyavastha. As you also know that when our India got freedom in 1947, since that time everything was going well. As well as if I talk about when everything used to go well, like with the help of flora, with the help of their epics, with the help of their everything. But right now what is happening? Right now the technologization is taking the covering all over the India. With the help of the mobile phone, with the help of our gadgets which we are using right now. So because of it many kind of things are being done. Like if I talk about the terrorism in India, which is the part of our against our law. Like our Indian law is totally good. I am not saying that it's bad, but right now what is happening? Our corruption is taking the step ahead. Like those who are behind the bars, they are also doing everything with the help of our technologization. Like just they are ordering to the people with the help of the mobile phone. Such things are not the part of our constitution and our law. But
our constitution guide us to do a good work despite doing these criminal things.
But why this is happening?
This is happening with because it's all depends on their mentality, what they want to do.
You know what? Our India is growing itself inside, growing itself before many years ago, but it is increasing itself in kind which is totally harmful for our upcoming time. Like right now we are living with the enthusiasm in our life, and we are moving on in our life.
Why we are living with enthusiasm? There is only reason our constitution is providing this type of rights to live in our India very well.
You know what?
And because you can see, if I give you an example of our Sudan, so there is people are protesting for their right, for their everything, because which they didn't get in their life ever. And when they look at India, that their people are living with enthusiasm and with a good facility, so then they are protesting. So we should proud on our India that they adopted this system.
You know what? You are totally right. I'm not against you, but I would like to say that our Indian law is totally good. But you know what?
But those who are running
number of things are that
bad,
which is totally harmful for our Indian culture and Indian epics. Like right now what is happening? The people are totally involved their mind in the fast foods. Like it has become their lifestyle to eat on the daily basis. Like
so, as everything changes according to the time, as our epics and our culture.
You know what? Since 1947, such things are being changed. So that's why this is come here, right? This is the situation right now. What is about to happen? We can't think. Like
for what purpose it is changing itself?
Because you know what? Our India is growing itself in kind.
It is growing. It's growing itself, and on the other hand, our education system is increasing. That's why our culture is
education system
because they know
after being an educated person, when we go to I want to become a police officer, but when I go somewhere to get a job, that time I have to definitely pay a lot of money in face of bribes. You know what? Our India is being corrupted right now. If I talk about number of people are corrupted.
How can you say that if you are going to choose a job in like policeman, so you have to give them bribe. If you have knowledge and if you have skill, so you don't need to give them bribe.
But you know what? Our Indian people have a lot of skill, I would like to say, but nevertheless
listen to me carefully. You are forgetting one thing, because if suppose if you have study everything of politics, and you have right to you know everything of politics, and you know every rights of our politics, so you can raise your voice against it, because that they are asking for the bribe.
You know what? Our Indian people have a lot of skill, I would like to say, but nevertheless many type of people have already suicide themselves because of the depression of the bribe and the corruption. Like just we don't have only one work.
It's their personal matter. They suicide themselves. They they suicide because it's all about their mentality. They don't have control on their feelings.
You know what?
that's why
Our law is controlling everyone, but the corruption and the casteism and the terrorism.
so this
it's
should be
only
say. So how can we reformed it?
because of, you know what, our India. This is the first only one country in which everyone can live.
Yeah,
Our India doesn't matter that who is Muslim, who is
because here is
Because, you know,
here is
sir-
the right of equality, and everyone can survive their life without any type of hindrance. And if someone criticized by your caste, religion and other things, so you can raise your voice against it, and it will be applicable in our court.
But you know what, if I talk about our slums area people, those who know everything, but nevertheless they can't do anything. Why? Because of the corruption.
they-
Like they
Yeah.
don't have money to do have the 2 square meal in a day, but nevertheless they are paying to the tuition fees that they are paying for.
So
the
I'm not going
school
against
fees.
you,
You know
because
what?
corruption is a bad thing of our India. We should be reformed soon. Otherwise, our country will spoil soon.
You know what? This is reforming. This is reforming since 2015. Like since that time, such a thing used to happen, and many type of people, those who are suicide themselves because of the depression. Like
Yeah.
they want since childhood they want to become a police officer. They want to become everything, but
Because
nevertheless.
corruption has become a major problem of our India, which cannot be reformed as far as I think. Because our India is just paying attention on the religion, which is not going to be beneficial for their future, for their upcoming generation. Just they are saying, what is this? I don't know about it, because I have studied about it. Just people are worshipping them. It's just a Kalpnik Bhagwan. This is all Kalpnik Bhagwan.
You know what? Our India is in our India. Many kind of places are available, which is historical places, which is right now, and the many people are coming from the foreign and from our India. They are observing and observing everything. As well as if I talk about such a things, we can't say that this is the system of our law. Like when a person comes from the our neighbor country and another one country.
Yeah.
You know what? When he started living here, that time we don't have any problem. But if I talk about when he start doing the bad type of works, like if I say before some time ago, our UP Adityanath Yogi ji, when he set up everything, like nobody can enter in our city and the village. I don't know, nobody can enter of another one city. The system. This is the system of the city, which is totally controllable, like which is controlling. And right now, if I talk about our uncontrollable thing is our Indian law. You know what? Here is everyone is getting a right to do everything.
Yeah.
So that's why our Indian people are misusing. Like they are taking it in easy way, and
So
they are
it's just our corruption, because as much you have money, you can do corruption as much you want. Because our law loses its fight when the corruption and money increasing, and when it उसके ऊपर हावी हो जाता है भैया, when the corruption and money dominates on our law. So
you know what, when our election around the corner, that
Yeah.
time our dealers, when they start doing the hollow promises, just they carry on to do such a thing, but after the election such a thing where it was, they don't know. If I talk about in 2019, if I talk about our Modi ji, what he said, jahan juggi wahi makan.
Yeah.
But what happened?
it is happening,
It
but
is happening, but-
very slowly, but very slowly.
And since that time till now, how many people have died because of our poverty line, poverty. Just they are saying, just our leaders are saying that we will do everything, but what is happening? Nothing is happening. Like if I talk about the problem, scarcities of the slum areas, it is bookworms to say everything, like, but nevertheless the people are not paying attention.
So if you are talking
know what,
about slum
because
area,
of
so
the corruption,
you
because
just
of
need
our
to-
law.
Our law responsible. What did you say?
Because you know what, because of the corruption, such a things are not being done in our slums area. Like just they are fulfilling, and just they are reforming their responsibility, and we can say that just they are say that their responsibility they are fulfilling. But you know what, if I talk about our slums problem, scarcities, just
So
the-
our slums people are very bad because they increase their problem again and again, because everyone knows because everyone knows when you throw garbage into our drains, so it will fulfill and the water will increase.
But what about our those who have already won the election beforehand? They should also do everything so that our garbage should be in litter bin. But nevertheless, just we are throwing other way.
So
Like,
it's our personal matter, which is
You know what?
which is never going to finish.
but you know what? This is also our slums area is also the part of our India. You know what? While such a things will definitely increase if our law will not reform itself inside. Like if it will not.
So what do you want to say? Just tell me about
You know
it.
what, our Indian law should change itself, like it
How-
should-
why it
because
will
you know
change?
what, in our India everything is happening, right? On other countries people are coming and they are selling their unwanted things, like they are selling the fast food, they are as well as they are.
Because it is a right of our financial things. It
But
is, you know,
this
the
is
right
not
of
the
financial things.
this is not the things by which we can get the habit of it, like this we are making its lifestyle. This is not the good thing for upcoming time,
But
because you know what is happening, what is about to happen, we don't know. But nevertheless, right now many type of things those who have finished, like before some year ago we used to see a lot of birds, we used to view them.
so
but
which we are
right
talking,
now,
it's not part of our law. It's part of our geography.
but
which
why
we are saying.
but such a things are happening with the help of the technologization? Why our India is adopting it?
Why it is about adopting it? Because it's want to upgrade itself as a
It is upgrading, but it is upgrading in kind. The people are dying with the help of it, like because of it, and because of the people's problem, the trees are being cut with the help of people, and this is not the good thing for upcoming time. So that's why I'm saying that what is about to happen, we don't
But
know.
you are just forgetting one thing. If I give you an example of America, those who countries have been developed, just they are saying that stop developing yourself because our nature is harming. But when they develop themselves, after that they are saying just, and now we got a chance to develop ourselves, and then they are saying. So it's all about politics. So politics should be reformed, and if it works with a good constitution, so it can be very beneficial for our citizens of our India. Thank you.